Hello students, today we are going to do theorem 6.3 of class 10. If in two triangles corresponding angles are equal, then their corresponding sides are in the same ratio and hence the two triangles are similar. So in this it is given that angle A is equal to angle D, angle B is equal to angle E, and angle C is equal to angle F. We need to prove that triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. So here we are going to do a construction. We are taking a point P on DE such that AB is equal to DP and AC is equal to DQ. And then join PQ. Now first we'll begin with triangle ABC and triangle DPQ. In these two triangles, AB is equal to DP by construction, and we also have AC equal to DQ again by construction, and angle A is equal to angle T, which is given to us. So we can say by SAS criteria, triangle ABC is similar to triangle DPQ. So we have got these two triangles similar by SAS criteria. So we will have angle B equal to angle P, and this is by CPCT. If angle B and angle P are equal, and we already know it's given that angle B is equal to angle E, which is given, from 1 and 2 we can say angle P is equal to angle E. Angle P is equal to angle E. So we already know that angle P and angle E are equal. For the sides PQ and EF, angle P and angle E are corresponding angles. And we know if corresponding angles are same, then the sides are parallel. So that will mean that our PQ is parallel to EF. Now in triangle DEF, PQ is parallel to EF, so we can apply the basic proportionality theorem. It says that if a line in a triangle is parallel to one of its sides, then it intersects the other two sides in equal ratio, which will mean that DP by PE is equal to DQ by QF. We can flip it over, or we can say PE by DP is equal to QF by DQ. Adding 1 to both sides, we will have PE by DP plus 1 is equal to QF by DQ plus 1. So we can take DP as the common denominator. It will be PE plus DP is equal to, here DQ as the common denominator, QF plus DQ. So PE plus DP, that is DE, DE by DP is equal to QF plus QD, that is DF. So that is DF by DQ. So now in this we are having DE by DP, we can flip it over. We can say DP by DE is equal to DQ by QF. we already know that DP is equal to AB and DQ is equal to AC. So in place of DP and DQ here, we can put these values, or we have AB by DE is equal to AC by DF. So similarly, we can prove for the other sides by taking two different points. So we will just write similarly. How can we do that? In that case, you will basically take side BC equal to some point here. Let's call it EM. And AB is, or BA is equal to, basically we will have a line parallel to DF. So in this we can write similarly AB by DE is equal to AC by DF is equal to BC by EF. Now the sides are in the same ratio, and we already know that angle A is equal to angle D, angle B is equal to angle E, and angle C equal to angle F. Since all the sides are in ratio and all corresponding angles are equal, therefore we can say that triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.